Hey, I just got to watching something happen on Monday, December 29th, 2025. Milwaukee tow truck driver got shot while repossessing a car. Let me tell you something about this. I know this a job that this man was doing, but he get paid for it. But these type of jobs right here, what he got and what I'm doing for a moving company, it started to get dangerous. It started to get dangerous because people now is rage, feelings and rage, and they know what they're doing is wrong. They do not want to pay for their bills or their car payments or car notes or rent or nothing. But when somebody got to come get their stuff repossessed, they always want to be angry and want to fight and shoot or try to kill somebody. Why? That's the answer. Why? There's nobody problem but the person who's not paying their bills. Now, that should be no right for that man to get shot because he was supposed to come do his job, which is repossess your car. He had to come take it because you didn't pay no bills on it. And you didn't pay no bills on it, but you shot the man in his back because he's doing his job. These jobs today are dangerous. They are super dangerous. And that's another thing that's going on in 2025. Dangers at the workplace. Every job you go to, from restaurants to nursing homes to moving jobs, it's been all type of chaos. People have been having problems, bringing problems to work, and it doesn't mix with a job. It doesn't mix with the job. Now, this man was doing what he's supposed to be doing Monday, repossessing cars. He got a tow truck. But like I said once before, people are angry and mad because if they know they don't pay their bills, somebody's just bound to come get their car and repossess it. And I don't get me wrong, some people don't even have the money like they're supposed to because they don't really have it. That's understandable. So a lot of these people running around here now don't really have a job, but got a car from somewhere and they know they gotta pay their bill. And all this man was trying to do was trying to do his job, get the car and leave. Somebody who got who car he's get got shot him in his back. And everybody should be trying. I want everybody to pray for this man. For this man got shot in the back for doing something that he's making some money off of. Now that's a risky, dangerous. That's a dangerous job. I thought my job dangerous moving because people get angry and mad too about that. But the point is this: police jobs, security jobs, tow truck jobs, moving company jobs. Any job now is dangerous. Restaurant jobs are dangerous. You got people killing people over food. Food now. 2025 is bad about that. It's bad about that. What's it gonna take? What is gonna take for 2026 to be decent? What is gonna take for 2026 for these people to put these guns down, quit being domestic, quit being violent, quit being in a domestic relationship, domestic abuse? What is it gonna take? in 2026, for it will stop all this violence, rage of violence that we had in 2025. What it's going to take? Nobody got the answer to that question. Nobody. And there will. That's why I said 2026 finna end. We finna issue a brand new year in 2026. And it's about some people, it's right now downtown, it's packed. In every place, in every city, everywhere it goes, it's gonna be crowded. Some food's gonna be out arguing, shooting, and fighting real soon. It's not gonna take long. We got another hour. It's not gonna take long. The violence will never go nowhere. I always say Martin Luther King, God rest his soul, Malcolm X rest his soul, Rosa Parks rest her soul, and whoever was out there marching for us, rest their soul, because they died for nothing. They didn't die for nothing, but they died for the people for nothing. Because these people is ungrateful. They don't care for nothing in the world, not even his kids. Not even his kids. Now this man got to get healthy and everything else. Get his body back, get right, go through service to get back like he was. And he gonna have to need a whole lot of prayer. So pray for him in 2025. Anybody who got hurt, seriously hurt, can't work no more. Anybody who has health problems, can't do nothing but being sick, pray for them. Pray for the people that go through domestic violence. Pray for the people who try to live day by day. Pray for everybody who you can pray for and give them hope that 2026 gonna be one of the years that change. 2026 need to be the year to change. You really need to be the year to change. It got to be. Because if it don't, it's gonna be worse than 2025. I just made a video about that. 2025 is the worst year ever. I just made it. Don't make 2026 like that. Please don't. We don't need another 2025 no more. We need a brand new 2020, fresh 2026. That's what we're going to start off with. But I hope it stay like that. But if it don't, it's going to be hell on earth. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up on the video all the way up. Share it everywhere. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the subscribers in 2025. I appreciate people looking at my videos because there's going to be more coming. So 2025 still here. Still got another hour. I'm gonna probably try to make some more videos and see what's gonna give me. So I'm probably gonna monetize because boy, I'm gonna have a lot to say. There's gonna be stuff going on that people won't really need to hear and listen. I'm here to try to teach. I'm here trying to get people to stop doing stuff that I know they ain't. At least try. God left me on this earth for some reason. And the best thing I can do, at least, to try. Try to help. Try to motivate people to do something different. Try to keep themselves out of prison and jail or dead. all I can do is try.